Welcome. In front of me is an ASUS Zenfone 11 Ultra, and today I will show you how you can record screen on this device. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen. Now on this device it actually does look like it matters which side you swipe down from, so you want to do it from the right side, like so. And somewhere here you should have your toggles, and one of those should be obviously screen recorder. Now if you don't see it on the first page, you can swipe to the left and this will show you additional pages. Oh, there we go. So that's what we're looking for. Once you see the toggle, you can simply tap on it. It will bring you up this window right here, asking to grant access to things like the screen recorder, microphone, and I believe files as well. Anyway, here you can now choose some parameters for the recording. So in terms of audio, you can choose to record microphone, device, both, or nothing. And then below that we have show touches on the screen, so whenever you're swiping up or down, it will show a semi-transparent gray dot to indicate where your finger was pressing the display. Now here we have actually a couple additional options compared to other devices. So we have touches, touch tracks, which leaves like a trace after your finger, both and nothing. Now I'm gonna enable both just so you can see how that looks like on the recording. And in terms of audio recording, I'm going to keep it at just device audio. Now additionally, you can also select to not show this window again, so whatever you have chosen right now will be the default. Now it starts a countdown and afterwards begins recording. As you can see, there's the trace after my finger. Once you're done recording, you can click right here on this overlay and then click on the square, and this will automatically save your screen recording to your gallery application. Now it will be visible under the Photos tab as the newest one if you have just captured it, but you should be also able to find it under Albums, and it looks like it gets put into Video album, unfortunately, instead of screen recording. But anyway, we can view it from here. So you can see the dot and the trace. Anyway, there's the screen recording. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.